We'll guide you through how to make Microsoft logo in Illustrator. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, open Adobe Illustrator on your computer. Once the application is open, click New File to create a new document where you will design your shape. After that, choose the document presets you want to use according to your needs so the canvas size and settings match your project requirements. Then click Create to open the canvas and begin working on your design. Next, select the rectangle tool from the toolbar so you can create the base shape that will be modified later. Draw a rectangle on the canvas while holding the Shift key to keep the proportions equal, ensuring the shape remains perfectly square and balanced. After placing the rectangle, adjust the alignment so the rectangle is centered on the canvas, making it easier to work symmetrically and maintain a clean layout. Then, select the Line Segment tool to begin dividing the shape into sections. Draw a line in the center of the rectangle, making sure it aligns properly with the middle so the division looks precise. Adjust the stroke thickness according to your needs so the line is clearly visible and easy to work with during the next steps. After that, press Ctrl C to copy the line. Then press Ctrl Shift V to paste it in the exact same position so both lines overlap perfectly. Rotate the duplicated line to 180 degrees while holding the Shift key to keep the rotation precise and aligned. Next, select All Shapes so you can apply transformations to all elements at once. Click the Object menu, then select Path and choose Outline Stroke to convert the stroke into a fill shape that can be edited further. After that, select -front to subtract the overlapping shapes and create separated sections. Now you have multiple shape sections similar to the Microsoft logo, forming a clean and structured design. Add colors according to the Microsoft logo color palette, for example similar to the video, so each section is clearly defined and visually appealing. Then review the result carefully.